Okay, guys, why take too much time? Okay, let's start with a magic. Okay, so this is CubiCost 5D Beam, the most amazing 5D beam software in the world. In fact, this is the number one. So please sit back, relax, and watch. This is small magic. Okay, so this is the modern quantity serving. Please observe. Okay, this will change your perspective regarding digital quantification. I hope you all can see my screen. Yes, you can see my screen. And I think you can hear me properly. Yes, you can hear me properly. Okay, now please get ready. I will go to new. Then this will appear. Okay, you can select the measurement rule. Okay, all the measurement rules embedded with the software. Okay, so this is the next level. You can see Australian, Hong Kong, Indian, Indonesian, Malaysian, New Zealand, Philippines. You have NRM2, you have POMI, you have everything. Okay, measurement rule coming embedded with the software. I will go with NRM2. Okay, then I will click OK.
Excuse me.
Yes,
Yeah, this is first class. You continue from first class today?
yes.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Okay, now,
One doubt, sir. You provide recording video.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Sometime here coverage issue. That's why I asked.
Okay, okay,
Okay, thanks, bro.
okay,
Thanks.
okay. So you can see this is a cubicle software. Okay, then I will go to beam model. Okay, now you can record your time. Now it is 8:06. Then you can go to import Revit file. Then you can go to this fold icon. Then you can select the project. I will go with the hospital structural. Then I will click open. Now I click open again. Then it will take a little bit of time to import Revit files to this amazing software. Okay, this is the next level of quantity surveying. Okay, then I will give a preference flow. I will give level 2 as preference flow. Then I will click next again. Then all the Revit data will be imported into this CubiCost software. Okay, now time is 8:07. This is very efficient and effective software. In fact, this is the number one 5D beam software in the world. Okay, and this is the number one quantity surveying software in the Asian region. This is a proud product of Cloud International. Okay, now you can see this is our Revit model. Okay, now time is 8:07. Okay, within 1 minute we have imported the big project to this amazing software. Okay, so this is our Revit model. Then I will go to quantity. Then I will quickly click on calculate. Okay, then I will click pause calculate. Then I will click all flows and click OK. All the quantities will be extracted within 7 seconds. Then I will click OK. So this is our model. Then I will go to view quantity by category. Then I will click on project pro and click OK. I can see all the quantities: column, wall, in situ slab, steel composite column, steel composite beam, straight file, ceiling finish, pile cap, pile raft foundation. You can see every quantity has been extracted from our Revit model within couple of minutes. Okay, this is the next level. If I go to column and if I click on volume and I will click on revisely check with model, then you can revisely check all the quantities with your model. Okay, so this is amazing. Okay, and we are quantity surveys. Okay, we are not so sure about our quantities. Okay, isn't it? Yeah, we doubt all the we doubt all our quantities. Okay, so we have to clarify our quantity. Okay, if I click on this wall, if I go to view expression, okay, and if I go to this 3D deduction, I can see the original quantity here. Okay, so this is my original quantity. Then I can see deducted elements. Okay, so this is our concrete wall. Okay, and these are the deducted columns. Okay, so we can have a comprehensive quantity breakdown down here. Okay, so you can see this is our 3D. Okay, and you can see this is the length, this is the height of the wall, and this is the thickness of the wall, and this is deducted column. Okay, so we can have a comprehensive quantity breakdown of this element. Okay, so we can revisely check and we can have quantity breakdown. Okay, so this is the next level. I will, if I click on all flows and click on all elements, again I can see all the elements like this. Okay, so is this enough? Okay, according to me this is not enough. Okay, so we are quantity surveyors, we have to have TDS sheets. Okay, we have to have quantity sheets for prepare BOQs. Okay, so we have to have that. If I go to report, I can come to this area. If I click OK, and if I click on this quantity measurement worksheet, I can have a comprehensive quantity breakdown. Okay, so this is amazing. So if you are a contractor's quantity surveyor, you can provide this sheet. Okay, you can provide this sheet to your consultant. Okay, then they will never uh, raise questions about your quantities. Okay, so this is foundation slab. Okay, you can have a comprehensive quantity breakdown. This is length, this is width, this is thickness, and you can have, this is element name. Okay, so this is the next level. If you go to quantity measurement worksheet, okay, and if you observe this quantity, so this is the TDS sheet. Okay, you can have length, width, height, then the volume, and this is the grid reference. Okay, you can see the grid lines. Okay, so you can have everything within 5 minutes. Okay, so we started this process at 8:06, now it is 8:11. So you can generate every quantity reports by using this amazing software. Okay, if you click on quantity by summary, you can have a level 1 quantity summary like this. Okay, then this is another quantity sheet. Okay, likewise you can have many quantity sheets like this. Okay, then you can have concrete index tables. Okay, so this is column concrete, this is wall concrete, this is slab concrete, this is foundation. Okay, likewise you can have uh, concrete index tables as well. Okay, so this is amazing software. So I hope you will enjoy this session, because I will explain everything related to CubiCost software within today's session. And please enjoy the session. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. Okay, uh, before start the session, okay, I will give you a brief introduction about myself. Okay, so I will go to this slide. Okay, I hope you all can see this slide. And this is me. Okay, so I will go here, new share, and I will click on share screen 2. Okay, now I can now I think you can see my screen better. Okay, so my name is Tilina Vitarama, and this is my technical representative certificate. I am the country manager of CubiCost Software in UAE, and this is my education representative certificate. And I have done a lot of things. This is one CPD session I have done for um, IESL UAE. Mr. Janak Singh, one of my student, invited to deliver this session regarding building information modeling. So this is a great experience for me. And then this is another CPD I have done for SLQS Oman. This is regarding building information modeling. And this is another CPD for cyber quantity surveys. And this is the first ever BIM competition in Sri Lanka. I organized this collaboratively with Kotalawala Defense University. And this is another session for IQSSL. So I'm doing the digital quantification part for their MEP program. And this is this is BIM lecture for quantity surveys. And this is my Toastmasters journey. So I'm the vice president, uh, public relations of IQ SSL Toastmasters Club, and I have won couple of titles to the club as well. And this is a, a remarkable milestone of my career. So I have trained the lecturer panel of University of Morocco. You can see some familiar names: Chartered Quantity Surveyor Suranga Jayasena, then Mrs. Udayangani Kulatunga, Mrs. Anuradha uh, Samarajiva. Okay, so this is a great opportunity for me. And this is a physical session for BICM consultants leading cost consultancy service in Sri Lanka. And this is another session for IJVR. And this is Sunken Overseas Chartered Quantity Surveyor Dulisha Vijay sir organized this session. And this is a physical training session for CCMPL. Started quantities of Nishant Vikram Singha's firm. And I have trained Sri Lanka Army, ICC, QServe, CLAG, SEC, Moonstone, V4, Value Management Services. I trained almost all the consultancy firms in Sri Lanka. And this is CubiCost training. I think up to now, I have trained more than 3,000 quantity surveys with regards to this CubiCost 5D BIM program and QS software all in one. This is physical training I have done in Oman for veteran quantity surveys in Oman. And this is my QS software all in one program. And now I have trained more than 1,000 quantity surveys with this QS software all in one program. And this is final year BIM module for KDU students, and this is my BIM with Navisworks program. So I have trained more than 100 students with regards to Revit and Navisworks, and this is a BIM competition and I have conducted for uh, this batch, and I have given a valuable gift for my students. Okay, so this is me, and I hope you enjoyed this brief introduction. Now, I will go to CubiCost uh, software. Okay, and before that, I want you to explain about this program, and I want to explain about the Glodden company. Okay, so this will be uh, very, very important for you. So now, please observe. Okay, so you are going to learn the most amazing quantity serving software in the world from one of the leading uh, company in the world. Okay, so this is you can have a great professional qualification after finishing this program. Then you can come to the market. Okay, if you perform well, then there will be a lot of opportunities. I will share some testimonials with you. I hope you all can see my screen, and this is my slideshow. Okay, so I will quickly explain these things. Okay, these things are very important because you have to know about this company and you have to know about the validity of this certificate. So 5D BIM from tender construction. Okay, so this is our slideshow. You can see BIM trend. Okay, then I will explain you why 5D BIM, then how CubiCost will become a solution, then the BIM certification and services. Okay, these will be very, very important. And 5D BIM from tender to construction. Uh, Now I will explain things by using this amazing slideshow. So you can see uh, this is a digital era. Okay, so as quantity surveys, we have to prepare for this digital era. Cubicost is a platform, building information modeling platform. In fact, this is a very advanced software. Okay, and you can see uh, this digital twin is a very important concept in this digital world. I will explain about digital twin in my future slides. So this is amazing software. Okay, so they have used the technologies like big data, IoT, and artificial intelligence in order to develop this amazing software. Now, this is Glodon Company. Okay, so Glodon Company is a prestigious company. So we have lot of construction software providers in the world. Most popular software provider, construction software provider is Autodesk. Okay, it is the number one. Then we have Bentley. Okay, then we have Trimble. Glodon is the fourth um, biggest construction software provider in the world. Okay, so we have more than 360,000 enterprise customers, and we have served more than 6 million projects, and we have more than 10 million end users. Okay, this is number one quantity surveying software in China and the Asian region. So we have 40% of market share in China. All the Chinese companies using Glodon products for their construction management. Okay, in fact, China State, China Harbor, China Geo, China Railway. Okay, lot of Chinese companies using this Glodon product almost 20 years. And we have 7 research and development center: Beijing, Shanghai, Xi'an, America, Finland, Poland, and Sweden. And we have 5 innovation centers, and we have a lot of global users. And we have building information modeling technologies, and we are dealing with industry AI, and uh, we have we use a big data concept in order to develop our softwares, and we use IoT technology in our construction software. And we have more than 100 uh, products. Okay, CubiCost is one of them. And we have advanced technologies like robotic technologies, and we have 3D mapping softwares as well. Okay, so Glodon softwares can map cities. Okay, so this is amazing. And we can use CubiCost 5D beam throughout the construction process. You can see uh, if we divide our construction process, we can start with planning, then we have to do designing, then tendering, construction, and operation. We have 5 CubiCost products: CubiCost TS, TRB, TME, and TBQ. And we have e-tendering platform as well. So we can use these CubiCost products throughout the life cycle of the construction project. And um, if we talk about building information modeling, we can divide the building information modeling uh, in 5 categories. Okay, so we can start with the 3D beam. Okay, so there are plenty of examples for 3D beam software. Revit, ArchiCAD are best examples. Then 4D beam for planning and scheduling. So if I explain you about the practicality of 4D beam, if you have a 3D model, you can merge your 3D model with your construction plan. You can create the 3D model by using softwares like Revit and ArchiCAD. You can create your construction program by using softwares like Primavera or MS Project. Then you can synchronize those two softwares. Then you can simulate your construction project. Then the cost and estimation. When it comes to the cost and estimation, you have one and only CubiCost. Okay, architects, they have ArchiCAD and Revit. Structural engineers, they have many structural analysis softwares, and MEP engineers, they have own BIM softwares. Okay, as quantity surveys. Okay, this is the only one uh, building information modeling software we have. Okay, so think about it. Uh, and then we have 6D beam, 6D beam with related to sustainability, then 7D beam for asset management. So we can divide building information modeling into basic 5 categories. Then 5D beam digital cost estimation solution. So this is one focus integrated digital solution. Okay, so you can have seamless team collaboration, common data center management, embedded with the measurement rule for accurate QTO, smart reporting. Okay, if I say these words, okay, so this will not go to your mind. Okay, I will explain with the practicality. Okay, then you can absorb this knowledge. And as I mentioned earlier, we have four major products: TAS, TRB, TBQ, and TME. TAS for structural and architectural modeling. TRB is our reinforcement solution. TBQ for BOQ preparation, and TME for our MEP quantification. And as I explained earlier, this software package can uh, be used in the whole life cycle of the construction project. Okay, so you can see at the design stage, planning stage, then the construction stage, and operation stage. And then this is very uh, interesting diagram. Okay, so 20, 30 years back, okay, we used manual quantification. Okay, we had physical drawings, we have manual scales, we use those manual scales and extract quantities manually. Then we tabulate numbers from our mind. Okay, then we entered those quantities in a manual way. Okay, it is very inefficient, like old phone. Okay, then we had 2D software. We had AutoCAD, we had Excel. We quantified by using AutoCAD software. We entered quantities in Excel. Okay, then plan shift came, Candy, Costex, Cato, Bluebeam Review came. So those softwares are 2D softwares. Still, those softwares are very inefficient. CubiCost is the first ever 5D BIM software. Okay, so this is the BIM enabled software. This is like a smartphone. Okay, this is much more efficient than previous products. And if you have TAS, TRB, and TME, you can generate a 3D model. Then you can, after creating the 3D model, you can extract all the quantities. Then you can allow TBQ to do the estimation part. After finishing the estimation, you can put it into e-tendering. Okay, then you can do automatic tend evaluation by using this e-tendering platform. And this is another diagram. You can see you can import IFC Revit drawing directly to this cubicle software as I explained earlier. Then you can extract quantities directly. Then if you have a scan PDF, you can import that particular scan PDF into Cubicle software. Then you can create a 3D model on top of that. After that, you can do all the quantifications, and then you can put those quantities into TBQ for estimation. If you have 2D drawings or vector PDF drawings, you can use auto identification function and create a 3D model. Then after that, you can generate all the quantities according to the measurement rule. Then you can prepare the estimations. Okay. Uh, then the practical part. Okay, before that, I will quickly explain you about the certification. Okay, this is very, very important. Okay, so after finishing this course, you can have a professional certificate. Okay, this is very important. BIM certification and services. Okay, so uh, you might have a Revit certificate. Okay, you might have ArchiCAD certificates. Okay, but those certifications for architects or engineers, okay, we are quantity surveyors. Okay, so we need 5D BIM qualifications in order to uplift our career. So after finishing this course, you can have a personal certificate directly from Glodden. Okay, if you have done your assignment correctly, you can have expert level certificate. It will valid for 5 years. Okay, so based on your assignment marks, you can have these levels. And if you want a company certificate, okay, you have to do a industrial model and you have to submit it to clothing company. Then we will give you professional certification. Okay, so this is a certified software training course. Okay, and you can have any question. So this is a very big company. Okay, after that you can have a lot of job opportunities. I will show you one of our latest testimonial. Okay, this is very important. I always telling you the importance of LinkedIn. Okay, and this is the this is best example for that. And I will show you this testimonial. He is a young quantity surveyor from KDU, just passed out quantity surveyor. You know, if you are a Sri Lankan quantity surveyor, you know how difficult you to go to the go Middle East and find a job opportunity. Okay, but he is just 24 years old. Okay, he learned key because under me, and now he is working as beam quantity survey for China Railway construction. He started last a couple of weeks back. Okay, and so this is his education qualification: BSc Quantity Surveying Construction Management 2022 2023. He passed out December uh, 2023, and these I will show you his some of his posts. Okay, and he's thanking me. Thank you, Mrs. Yanisa, for being better mentor and providing valuable support. It contributed to my success. Okay, and this is Eshana Kalanka's timeline. Okay, you can chat with him, and I will do a small podcast with him. Then I will get some valuable information from him. Okay, you can see his LinkedIn. Before he start his job at China Railway. Okay, I have give gave him some freelancing projects. You can see I'm a construction company. He did this particular model for this Maldives company. So these are some freelancing projects he has done. This is another project, Bulgari Hotels Resources. Okay, and he put all the projects onto his LinkedIn. And this is another 5D BIM project he has done for VICM consultants. Okay, you can see this is drone images. Okay, he can work with drones and is amazing person, young talent. Okay, I have put two CVs. Okay, one student had more than 10 years of experience and 4 years of experience with CubiCost, but this student only had training experience with CubiCost, but he maintained his LinkedIn profile like this. Okay, so this is the secret. Okay, now he's earning more than 6,000 dirhams. Okay, as young content, so it is great thing. Okay, so this is wait. Okay, let's start our journey. Okay, so this will be very interesting. Okay, I will show you lot of things about this amazing software. Okay, so please sit back, relax, and watch. This is the newest technological advancement available for quantity surveys. Okay, okay, guys, let's start. I will open my CubiCost 5D Beam software. Okay, then I'm going to explain you about the 2D quantifications by using this amazing software, and I will share some tips. Okay, if you have used plans with Bluebeam and Costex, you can compare uh, those softwares with this amazing software. Okay, I will show you. Okay, how uh, this will become the number one 5D beam quantity serving software in the world. There should be exam before the certification, no, just an assignment. Okay, if you want to have company certification, you have to give us a project. Okay, you can complete your assignment. Okay, I will show you one assignment. Then you can get a very good understanding. Okay, I will show you one student today. One student submitted an assignment. So I have a lot of talented students. Okay. Now I want some CVs because our general manager asking for CVs for Dubai companies, uh, and I'm struggling to provide. So after this program, okay, after 10 weeks, okay, uh, based on your assignments and based on your performance, okay, I will select 20 or 30 students. Okay, then I will give them special training for Middle East. Okay, so when you do a commercial project, you have to have some special skills. Okay, I will guide you. Okay, so this is an assignment. You can see this is Suresh Selvaraja's assignment and table of contents, detail project details. Very good to student. Okay, like this, he has setting out procedure. Very interesting. Queries, assumptions, and this is substructure and foundation, footing. Okay, like this superstructure, substructure, queries and assumptions. Okay, then superstructure columns, beams, slab, architectural work, architectural walls, then finishes, and complete model. So this is amazing, right? So I gave 100% to this student. Okay, if you work hard, I will give you 100%. And if you work hard, okay, if you give your real commitment, okay, I will generate more opportunities for you. Okay, so if you well committed, I will give you some freelancing project as well. Okay, it's up to you. Yeah, you have to work hard because I want talents. Okay, I want my students to adapt to this building information modeling and have a career with building information modeling, because this is the future now. Industry is slowly and solidly moving to building information modeling from the traditional methods. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so this is the 2D measurements from this amazing software. Okay, so please observe how to do 3D measurements from this software. Okay, I hope you all can see my screen. Yes, I guess you can see my screen. Yeah, now I will close some softwares. Yeah, Google Chrome. Okay, now see, I will go to new. Okay, then I will create a new project. Okay, most importantly, we can select the measurement rule. Okay, so this is the first time. Okay, so you no need to think about the measurement rules if you measure by using this amazing software. Okay, all the measurement rules embedded in the software. If you work in the Middle East region, you have POMI, UA principles of measurements. If you have work in Europe or Sri Lanka, you have NRM2. Okay, I will go with NRM2, then I will click OK. Okay, measurement rule is embedded with the software. Later, I will explain those measurement rules to you. Okay, so it is amazing. Now we will come to this level. Okay, now I will import some drawings to this amazing software. Okay, uh, I will go to drawing area. Okay, then I will select this structural and architectural drawing and this file cap drawing by pressing control. Then I will click open. Okay, within 1 second you can have all the drawings in your software. Okay, so this is very fast. Okay, then I will go to structural drawing. Okay, then I will split this structural ground floor. I will click here. Okay, I want to separate this drawing from others. Then I will right click. Then I will click on the name. Then I will click OK. Okay, now I have separated this structural ground floor from other drawings. Amazing, isn't it? Okay, this is structural ground floor. I want to separate my architectural ground floor too. Then I will go to this split icon. Then I will select this one like this. Okay, then right click, then I will go here ground floor and click OK. Now I have splitted this architectural ground floor as well. Okay, then I want to have a axis grid line, so that is the common platform. Yeah, we want a common platform to model this building. I will go and click pick axis. I will click here, right click, then I will click pick label, then the first the circle, then the letter, right click, then I will click auto identify. So this is the common platform. Okay, our axis grid line is the common platform. I will align my architectural ground floor drawing with this axis grid line. Okay, I can do it very quickly. I will click on relocate function, then this is axis grid line A, this is axis grid line 9, and this is the intersection point. I will click on this intersection point and I will match my axis grid line with my drawing axis grid line. Okay, now I can uh, start my modeling part. Okay, I will start the modeling with columns. Okay, I will go to columns. Okay, then I will click pick sideline. Then I will click on top of this column, right click. Then I will click pick label and click on this column, right click. Then I will click auto identify. Boom, I have 34 columns. Okay, within 1 second. Okay, if you want to quantify these 34 columns, you can go to quantity and you can click calculate. Boom, you can have all the quantities under quantity by category. Okay, with 1 second you can have all the quantities, volume, area, formwork, everything. Okay, so this is the next level. Okay, then I will go to beams. I will click beams. Okay, then I will go to identify. Then I will click on pick sideline. Then I will click on this sideline and this one, right click, pick label. I will click on this label, right click, auto identify. I have beams. Okay, like that. You can generate uh, beams. Okay, so just give me a moment. I will go to beams. Then I will click on pick sideline. Then sideline, right click. Then I will click on pick label. Then the label, right click. Then I will click auto identification function. Okay, then I can have beams. Okay, now I have quantified columns and beams. Okay, this is very simple. Then I will go to architectural drawing. I want to model my architecture walls. I will go to walls and click on wall. Okay, then I will click on masonry wall sideline. Okay, press the walls. Then I will click pick doors and windows sidelines. Then the doors and windows. Very simple. Auto identify. Okay, I can have all the walls like this. Okay, now I want to have architectural doors and windows. I will go to this architectural drawing. Okay, then I will get rid. I will go to my doors and windows. I will go to my doors and windows. I will get rid of this model. Okay, now I have these doors and windows schedule. Okay, now I can go to this identify doors and windows schedule. Then I can select this doors and windows schedule. Then I can click on identify. Then I can have all the doors and windows dimensions in my software. Okay, so this is very interesting. Then I will go back to my drawing, my architecture ground floor. Then I will get back my model. Okay, then very simple. Okay, uh, I can go to pick doors and windows label and click on it, right click. Then auto identification function, I can generate all the doors and windows. Amazing, isn't it? Okay, let's go to some questions. So what are the computer or system requirement for the software? 4 GB RAM is enough, and um, you have to have more than 10 GB space in your hard disk. Okay, now this is your model up to now. Okay, then I will explain you about how to put slabs. Okay, it's very simple. You can go to slab and you can go to your structure ground floor. This is your structure ground floor. 2 steps. Pick label, click on the label, right click, identify slab. Okay, okay, boom, you have your slab. Okay, so this is auto identification function. Okay, if the architect uh, has prepared his drawing in correct layers, okay, you can generate a model like this very quick period of time. Okay, so I will show you about the manual quantification as well. Uh, then if I go to finishes, okay, I can put my finishes very easily. I will click on room. Okay, so then I will go to my draw and I will click on finish schedule. Then I will click on import Excel file. Then I will click on this finishing schedule and click open. Okay. And this is room floor finish, exterior wall finish. Then this is waterproof horizontal. This is waterproof vertical. And this is skirting, and this is skirting height. So if you have this uh, finishing schedule, you can do the finishes very quickly. Okay, these quantities are very accurate. Don't worry about the accuracy of quantities. Okay, this is skirting height. Then I will click on identify and I will click OK. Now I will go to my architectural drawing. Okay, you can see this is my wet kitchen. Okay, I can find wet kitchen from here. Okay, where is my wet kitchen? This is my wet kitchen. And if I click on this wet kitchen, I can have all the finishes for this wet kitchen. Okay, within 1 second. Okay, then utility. If I click on utility and click here, I can have all the finishes for this utility. Okay, automatically. But uh, if I want to put finishes for this dry kitchen, okay, I will click on dry kitchen and I'll click here. Okay, then finishes will apply for all the building. Okay, how to get rid of from this? Okay, you can use this separation line. I will click on separation line, click one click here, two click here, right click, then I will click uh, uh, this dry kitchen. Okay, then I'll click here. Okay, I can have finishes only for this area. Okay, then how to put finishes manually? Okay, I want to have finishes for this external wall. It's very simple. You can go to wall finish and you can include the finish like this. Okay, I will put external finish here, external finish. Okay, then I will click here, then I will go here, then I will click on this brick combine, then I'll click open, I'll click here and click select. Like this, you can put finishes manually as well. Okay, very simple. Okay, uh, then I will quickly explain you about the some advanced functions of this amazing software. Even you can put you can measure staircases as well. Okay, I will quickly show you how to measure a staircase. Okay, you can go to staircase and click on a staircase and click on this plus sign. Okay, if you press S, you can get rid of these slabs. Okay, then you can go to this custom staircase. Okay, this is staircase one, case one. Okay, then width of the staircase you can measure. Okay, measure distance. You can measure the width of the staircase. This is 1425 with 1425. Then depth, this should be, I'll measure very quickly here to here, here to here. It is 255, right? I'll put 255 here, 255. Then height, I'll put 167. Okay, and then thickness of waist slab, I put I'll put 150. Then width of the landing. Okay, you have to measure the width of the landing. Okay, this is landing, width of the landing again 1425. 1425. Okay, then you can start your modeling. You can start from here, one click here, two click here. Okay, then you can start from here. Okay, then if you want to align your staircase, you can use F4. Okay, then you can start from here and you can finish your staircase like this. Okay, so this is your staircase. Amazing, isn't it? Very quick staircase. Okay, then after finishing this staircase, you can do some changes to this staircase. Okay, uh, this is your staircase. If you want to have landing beams, couple of landing beams, you can put a couple of landing beams like this. Okay, if you want to have some railings like this, you can have some railings. Okay, like that. You can adjust your quantity according to your preference. Okay, so after measuring this, okay, after measuring this, you can select this staircase, right click, calculate selected entity. Okay, you can get all the quantities right away. Okay, click OK, quantity, view quantity. You can have all the quantities with regards to this staircase very quickly. Volume of concrete, volume of landing beam, volume of concrete slab, area of formwork for flight, Okay, like that you can have every quantity for this particular staircase. Okay, like that you can measure ramps. Okay, then you can measure uh, roof. Okay, foundation elements. Okay, you can measure many things. Okay, I will show you another thing. Okay, if I want to measure lintels, it's very simple. I will go to doors and windows and click on lintels. Then I will click plus sign and click a rectangular lintel. And the sectional height I will go with 200, and the length of a starting point I will keep it as 250, 250. Okay, it's very simple. You have to go to identify and click here. Then doors, windows, opening ribbon. Okay, then you can select your drawing, right click. Then you can have lintels. Boom. Okay, so this is length of starting point into wall. This is length of end point into wall. Okay, so you can model your lintels very quickly. Okay, so this is the next level. Then after measuring everything, after modeling everything, okay, you have to uh, do your post contract management as well. Okay, so this is very, very important. You can extract quantities for interim payment applications and subcontractor valuations by using this amazing software. Okay, so I will show you how to do it. It's very simple. I will click here, then I will go to learn new features, and I will click on try it now and click yes. This is the next level. Okay, so please engage with me. I will explain you TRB software and TME software after explaining this TEA software. Okay, so if you feel boring, okay, please drink some water or go and take a cup of tea and come back. Okay, but I will explain everything continuously. Okay, so this is the interim payment application. Okay, this is how to create interim payment application. This is very important. You have to click on segmentation function, and you can click on this plus sign. Then you can go to this progress claim, and you can select your scope. If you are a subcontractor, you only do columns. Some subcontractors only do walls. Some subcontractors only do beams. Okay, you can select the scope of your subcontractor. Okay, so since this is a introductory session, I will go with the column, wall, and beam. Then I will click OK. Then I will select the area. Okay, I want to, this particular subcontractor has completed this room. I want to extract quantities for this area. Okay, like that I can select the area. This is very important. Okay, but what if this particular subcontractor completed this beam as well? Okay, how to resolve that problem? Don't worry, you have a solution. You can click on set associate segmentation and click on this beam, then right click. Okay, right click. You can include these two progress claim one. This is amazing, right? Okay, this is the next level. Okay, if you want to remove beam from here, you can click on set associate segmentation and click on this beam, right click, and you can click now. Then you can remove this beam from this selected progress claim one. Okay, after doing all the things, you can click on calculate. Then you can extract all the quantities very quickly. After that, after that, you can have those quantities separately. Okay, if I go to wall, okay, if I click on set associate segmentation and click on progress claim and click OK, you can have progress claim quantities separately and other quantities separately. You can use these progress claim quantities for interim payment application or subcontractor valuation. So this is the next level. This is the next level. Plans with QBeam cost text does not provide this. Okay, only CubiCost provide this. Then I will explain you about the revision function as well. Okay, after completing this, uh, sometimes we have to deal with revisions. Okay, as quantity surveys, we have to prepare uh, revision orders. Okay, so how to deal with them? Okay, so this is sample revision 1 and sample revision 2. Okay, today is 1st of sorry, 29th of January. Okay, the sample revision 2 received today. Okay, this is sample revision 1. So this is the earlier drawing. Okay, if I double click on this drawing, I can observe this drawing. Okay, so this previous drawing, okay, this previous drawing have three beams like this. Okay, after the revision this particular drawing, now I don't have three beams, I only have one beam. So I have to uh, calculate for this variation order how to do it. Okay, it's very simple. I will double click on revision, then I will click on drawing changes. Okay, then I will compare this revision 1 with revision 2 with revision 1. Okay, and I will click on compare. As you can see, okay, deleted. Okay, you have to delete three beams and you have to add one beam. Okay, so this amazing function, you can compare a couple of drawings and identify the uh, changes. Okay, after that, okay, you can do the changes. Okay, uh, you can add the revision. Okay, I will rename this as R1. Then you can click OK. Okay, then you can calculate, then calculate again. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, then you can go to beam, then you can go to beam, then you can, okay, you can delete three beams. Okay, I will delete these three beams. Okay, I will delete these three beams and I will add one beam. Okay, this should be KL25. I will find the KL25. Where is my KL25? This is my KL25. I will draw this KL25 from here to here, from here to here. F4 will rescue me. Okay, now I have done my revision. Then I will click on finish revision and click OK. Very simple. 1 minute process. Okay, then if I click on view change quantity, I can have all the change quantities. Okay, so this is amazing. This is before quantity, this is before quantity, this is after quantity, and these are the changes before revision, after revision changes. You can understand this process by using these numbers. Okay, previously we had 22 beams. Okay, then we deleted three beams, it reduced to 19. Then we add one beam and then it increased to 20. Okay, so this is the revision function. Okay, so after doing all these modeling, okay, so you want to share your model with outside party. Okay, um, but they don't have key because 5D beam software. Okay, but don't worry, you have solution. You can go to this start and you can click on this one. This is key because cloud. Okay, then you can go to your key because cloud, then you can have this employee space. Okay, then if you click on this share icon, you can share your model with outside party. Okay, then they can log into their web browser, then they can observe the model like this. Okay, this is the model. Okay, then they can have some cross checkings. Okay, they can have some cross checkings of the model like this. Okay, so these are the sections of the model. Every direction they can have this cross sections. Okay, so this is amazing. This is the next level. Okay, see, see, outside parties can do this. Okay, and you can do some 3D markups as well. Okay, you can measure your elements. Okay, you can do many things. Okay, so this is the markup function. You can cloud your 3D model like this. Okay, you can put arrows like plan shift. Okay, then you can comment by using these text boxes. Change this now. Then you can share these markups with your client. See, then they can comment. Okay, so this is building information modeling. Okay, building more information modeling is a platform, integrated platform. Okay, so this building information modeling platform based on uh, internet. Okay, so all the stakeholders can get together and give their opinion about the project. Okay, so if you are the 5D beam quantity survey, you can create this 3D model and you can share your model with your colleague, with your architect. Okay, then you can get some advices from them. Okay, and you can even share the quantities with them. Okay, so if you click on these quantity reports, you can share all the quantities with your outside party. Okay, you can see beam. If you click beam, you can see beam quantity. Okay, so this is the next level of quantity surveying. Okay, so if you have any question about this CubiCost TAS software, please feel free to ask. Okay, while you asking questions, I will show you a practical project I have done by using this amazing software. Okay, so this is one project I have done in Oman. Okay, so this is very good testimonial for the efficiency of this amazing software. Okay, so if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Okay, don't worry about anything. Okay, I am your trainer. Okay, I am your guider. Maybe I am the person who change your future. Okay, so this is a practical project I have done in Oman. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is phase one, and this is phase two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buildings. Okay, so I have completed this project within 1 week. How long will it take to provide software? Within 1 week, I will provide you the software. Okay, so in next week, I will start the. I will give you 1 week to make the payment. Okay, next uh, Monday. Okay, I will start the first class. Okay, so you have to. You can go through the internet. You can learn things about building information modeling, and you can make the decision. Okay, then after you make the payment, okay, I will add you to the payment group. Then I will give you the software. How much it will cost to buy this software? So we have quotations, so you can request quotation from me. Okay, if you in UAE, you can request quotation from me. Then I will give you the best price. Okay, so we have some discounts as well. Uh, but if you are in another country, okay, then you can send the request to me. Then I will make you contact with the country representative of that particular country. Then he will provide you the quotation. Any payment for the software? No payment for software. This is completely free. I will give you 3 months software license for free. Cost me 25,000 LKR, $80. Okay, it's very less. Okay. Um, now, okay, so I will show you one project I have done. This is that project. This is the next level. Okay. So when you do a practical project, I want to give you some tips. Okay, then you can uh, use those tips for uh, your career. Okay, see level differences. Okay, you have to model. So if you have any question with regarding TA software, please feel free to ask now. Then I will go to our next software, TRB software, our reinforcement solution. Next class will download the software. Yeah, before next class, you have to download the software. Yeah, you have to download the software. I will provide you the software link. I will put the software link to the group. And after registering for the course, I will prepare a LMS account for you. Okay, then I will upload all the lecture recordings and pre-recorded videos in that LMS. Okay. So it's very serious, okay, because for this batch I want real talents, okay, because I need some CVs. Okay, I will show you. Frank sent some messages to me. Frank Chu is our general manager. And recently we hired vice president of Panasonic as our vice president, Mr. Wataru Matsumoto, Japanese person, recently visited Dubai and uh, when visited some companies with me. Okay. So this is my main work. Okay, so I'm doing QS of all-in-one as well. And see, yeah. Uh, I will show you. I will share my screen. Yeah, whenever I open the web browser, it will take a little bit of time. Okay, hi Tilina, could you introduce more of your friends that want to work in Dubai for QS job? Then I have sent some CVs, sorry, CV, CSEC, Middle East want to recruit some staff. I already sent some CVs because most of the quantity surveyors in Dubai don't know about this CubiCost. Okay, therefore, uh, I'm exporting quantity surveys from Sri Lanka to Dubai. And luckily, this young man from KDU got that opportunity. I want to generate more opportunities for my students because now I have trained more than 2,000, I think, quantity surveys with regards to CubiCost. Okay, I want them to have more opportunities. That is my purpose in here. Are you describing those things again with using software? Yeah, yeah, yeah. You have to do all the things interactively with me. Okay. Now I will more than that. Okay, so then I will give you another project. Okay, for your uh, practice. Then you have to do your own project and you have to submit if you want that company qualification, a company certification. Okay, there are two types of certifications. Now observe this one. This is much more interesting than yes, our reinforcement solution. Okay, if I tell you, you can generate a bar schedule within 1 minute. Would you believe me? In fact, I have explained this to my QS software ordinance students. Okay, but it's worth to observe again. Okay, so this is CubiCost TRB software. Okay, so this is amazing software. Okay, so if you click on new, you can start a new project. Okay, and you can select the measurement rule as well. Okay, I'll quickly show you how to generate reinforcement for columns. Okay, so I'll close. Yeah, I don't remember. I went with yeah, I want to go with British standards. Okay, so you have some measurement rules. Okay, you can choose any. Okay, I will like to go with the British standards. Okay, because they ruled us for I think 130 years maybe. That's why I like them. If Brahmans has mistakes in the drawing without the proper layers, is it possible our mistakes too? Mistake too? No, 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 no. You have to be careful. Okay, I will show you. That's why you need a proper training. Okay, so we have to be intelligent. So we have quantity surveyors. Okay, so we have to analyze our drawings. Okay, first we have to analyze our drawings. If drawings are perfect, you can generate the model within 5 minutes. Okay, then you can generate all the quantity sheets and you can prepare the BOQ. You can complete the total project within couple of hours. Okay, drawings are perfect. Okay, but normally we getting drawings with issues. Okay, so uh, if the drawings have 75 issues, 75 percentage of issues. Okay, sorry, 25 percentage of issues, and we can think about manual method and auto identification method, then we can compare those two methods and we can find a solution. Okay, I will show you how to use the manual method as well. Okay, so please observe, this is TRB software reinforcement solution. This is a little bit similar to TS software. I will go to identify drawing manager, then I will click on it, then I will select a drawing. Where are my drawings? Gordon, CubiCost interaction. Yeah, here. I will click on this drawing and column detail. Then I will click open. Now I want to generate 3D model for columns. Okay, it's very simple. Very simple. I will go to this drawing. Okay, so I want to inject reinforcement for this particular column. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 main bars, 60, 16, and you have R6 at 175. This is the syrup. Okay, so you can see the syrup, and syrup diameter is 6 millimeter, and gap between two syrups is 175. Okay, I want to put this um, reinforcement detail to these columns. Very simple. I will go to column, then I will go to this drawing, then I will click on column. Okay, then I will click on new rectangular column, and this is I will double click on this, and this is C1. Okay, I'll rename this as C1. C1 sectional width 450. Okay, and sectional height is 200. And what are the main bars? 6 T16. Okay, you can see 16, 6 main bars. Okay, tall steel. Their links R6 at 175. Okay, very simple. And legs, you have 3 bars here, 2 bars here. Then you can put the legs as 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Okay, then you can have hook like this. Okay, now done. Okay, colors, this is your column. You can place it here like this. Okay, after doing the modeling, you can have the 3D visualization of this amazing beam. Okay, I will calculate selected entity. Okay, then if I go to quantity, and if I click on this uh, column, and if I click on the rebar 3D, you can have a 3D view of your column. Amazing, isn't it? Okay, then if you click here, if you click on print element rebar schedule, you can have your bar schedule within 1 minute. Okay, so this is a modern miracle. This is our TRB software. Okay, you can measure beams, columns, slab, all the structural elements by using this TRB software. This is the next level. Okay, then I will explain you. If you have any question about this TRB software, many students ask about the uh, lapping length. Okay, so this is the length of the bar. Okay, and these are the formulas for lappings. Okay, and we have separate settings for lapping as well. See, we have lapping settings, and we have calculation rules as well. You can change the calculation rules according to given specifications. Okay, so this is a complete package. You will learn the software comprehensively in the course. If you have any question about the TRB software, please feel free to ask. No questions about TRB? Okay, I will give you 1 minute. Okay, if you prepare until you prepare your questions, I will open my TME software, our MEP solution. Okay, this is the newborn baby of our Gordon family. Yes. Now I'll share my screen. Uh, One question, can we use auto identification in this software? Yeah, we can use. So basically, we will build 3D model as we proceed with the quantity takeoff. Yeah, yeah. Instead of 2D, you can generate 3D model. Okay. So as 2D quantity surveys, we visualized our 3D model in our mind. Okay, but now, if you have this 3D modeling software, so okay, when you measure, you can generate your 3D model. Okay, no need to visualize the 3D model in your mind. Okay, then you can reduce all the errors. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, uh, I will log into this TME software. I will click on new, then I will click OK. So I will show you how to measure HVAC quantities by using TME software. So we can generate electrical ME, electrical plumbing quantities with this uh, amazing software. But here I will explain you about the air conditioning. Okay, I will go to this equipment. Okay, then I will go to this drawing manager. Then I will go to my desktop. Then introduction to CubiCost, CubiCost cost materials, PME training drawings, ACME drawing. Click on ACME example and click open. Okay, this is my HVAC drawing. Okay, if I want to generate this air duct, okay, this is example. I will go to this air duct. Okay, there are plenty of methods to generate this air duct. Okay, so I will go to identify and draw. Okay, so first, I will explain you about the double line method. Okay, I want to generate this air duct. Okay, rectangle air duct. Okay, then I will click on this double line function. Click here, click here, click here, click here. Okay, by using this double line function, you can generate this one. Okay, then if you want to generate this manually, you can use the single line function. Okay, so you can go here. Okay, then if I want to generate this 200, 150 width, 200 height, 150, 150. Okay, I can use the single line method and single line method, and I can use this line function, and I can draw my duct like this from the center line. Okay, so this is single line method and double line method. Okay, if I want to generate this duct system, okay, in single click, okay, it's very simple. You can see duct system identify. Okay, I will click on this line, then this one, right click, then I will click OK. I can generate duct system. Okay, so this is a 3D visualization about of this duct system. Okay, you can create this duct system very quickly, and you can click on this air duct fitting identification. Then you can select this, right click, and you can see duct fittings as well. Then if you want to generate equipments, it's very simple. Okay, so you can go to equipment, new equipment. Then you can have this equipment here. Click on equipment. Okay, then you can pick device like this. Click on pick device and select this pick device. Right click. Okay, then find door. Sorry. Okay, you have 30 numbers. Then click identify. So you can have this air grills. Okay. So like this, you can measure, and you can have another function. If you reduce the light, you can see your measured elements separately. Okay. So when we measure MEP elements, we have to deal with counts. Okay. Like this, you can have. you can turn off the lights and you can make them bright again. Okay, so this is amazing software. Okay, so this is the next level software. Okay, I will show you another interesting function. Okay, so um, please observe this one. This is a mind-blowing function. Okay, uh, I have two drawings. Okay, I will go to this drawing and I'll click open. Okay, this is my first drawing. I will go to another department. I will go to plumbing. Okay, then I will open this drawing. Okay, this is my drawing, right? Okay, then I will quickly scale this drawing. Okay, I can quickly scale this drawing. If I know a known length, I can scale. Okay, this is very interesting. Huh? This is the next level. Then distance 7,925, and I will click OK. Okay, now this drawing scale. Then I want to uh, delete these lines. Okay, I'll click these lines and I will right click like that. I can delete the items in the drawings. Okay, you can't do these things in any other software. Okay, then I'll right click this and I will click on insert drawing. Then I'll click on this PDF2 and click open. Okay, now I can see another drawing here. Okay, then I will do the same thing. I will delete unnecessary lines of this drawing. Right click, then right click, right click, right click. Okay, then I'll scale this drawing as well. I'll click on scale. Right click, then 7,925. 7,925 and click OK. Okay, then I'll show you very interesting function. I will click on move and select this drawing and right click. I can merge these drawings. Okay, and this is grid line A17 and A1. Okay, then I will click on the intersection point. This one. This is the intersection point. Then I will match this intersection point with this intersection point. Okay, so you can merge drawings by using this software. So amazing, isn't it? So please put your comment regarding TME software as well. So this is next level. Okay, so after learning this software, so you can have a great professional qualification with regards to 5D beam. Okay, so if you have any doubt about this TME software, please put a message in the chat box. How about cover allowance for the different elements? Yeah, you can change the settings with regards to clear cover as well. Okay, no need to worry about that. So what do you think about TME? Okay, this is next level. Okay, what do you think? Anyone? So I have QS of Darlene and students in here. Prasad, Annasraj, Aski. Yeah, very good software, very amazing. So you are very fantastic teach and motivation. Outstanding, very good. Now, please observe. Okay, please observe. This is I will teach you a little bit about building information modeling and theories. Okay, so these theories will help you to grow more. Okay, and please learn these theories. Okay, it will change your perspective regarding building information modeling. Okay, so nothing boring about these things. Okay, so Yeah, I think you all can see my screen. So first we have to learn about digitalization. Then digitalization in construction, building information modeling, dimensions of BIM, digital twine, concepts of BIM, roles of BIM professionals. Example for digital transformation. Okay, so if I tell you the interpretation or the theory of digitalization, okay, you will fail in sleep. Okay, but if I show you some practical example for digitalization, you will understand more about the digitalization. Digital banking is best example for digitalization. Then socializing, we have Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Snapchat, lot of social media platforms. The transportation, the retail industry has adapted to digitalization vastly. Then construction industry, our industry, we have drone technology, we have LiDAR, we have AI technology, we have building information modeling. Okay, so construction industry also a well digitalized industry. Okay, so then we have to understand the digital twine and physical building and the virtual building. Okay, so in physical scenario, we do design part physically. Okay, architects and engineers get together and they will have some meetings. Then they will do the design. Then after that, the pre-construction will start. The tendering, tender evaluation part will be done in this pre-construction stage. Then the construction will start. Then after that, after finishing the construction, we have to do the maintenance part. Okay, then we can create a digital replica of our physical asset in the virtual platform. So it's called virtual building. Okay, so in this virtual building we do design collaboratively in cloud-based platform. So architects and other stakeholders sharing information uh, via the internet or cloud. Okay, then we will do virtual pre-construction. We can create a 3D model and we can merge the 3D model with our construction program. Then we can simulate our 3D model. Then we will do virtual construction. Then virtual maintenance also we can do by using 4D beam technology. Okay, so after doing all the things virtually, we can feed those data to our physical building in order to increase the efficiency of the work process of our physical building. So that is the relationship between physical building and virtual building. And the construction is the lowest digitalized sector according to McKinsey 2015. Over past 2 decades, construction productivity has grown only average 1% per year. Construction is the most collaborative yet the most fragmented industry in the world. And these are some examples: virtual reality, augmented reality, then artificial intelligence, then smart wearables and 3D printing, robotic technology, drone technology, building information modeling. So these are some examples for digital technologies used in the construction industry. Then what is building information modeling? So if you, I think you will get a lot of interviews. Okay, you have to face interviews as BIM quantity surveys in future. If your employer, if your uh, general manager, okay, asks you about the BIM, okay, what will be your answer? Okay, so you have to be prepared. Okay, so close your eyes. Okay, building information modeling is an intelligent 3D model based process. Okay, you have to memorize three things. Okay, this is 3D model based process. That is the first thing you have to remember. That gives architecture, engineering, and construction easy professionals. Okay, first you have to mention about the 3D model. Then the people who use this 3D model, architects, engineers, and other construction professionals use this model. Okay, then you have to explain about the purpose, the insight, and tools to plan, design, construct, and manage buildings and infrastructure efficiently. Okay, so close your eyes and recall these 3 points. This is a 3D model based process. Who are working with this model? AE professionals, architect, engineering, and construction professionals. And what is the purpose? Plan, design, construct, and manage. Plan, design, construct, and manage. Okay, please put this theory into your blood. Okay, okay. If anyone asks you about what is building information modeling, you have to give your answer, solid answer. Okay, then 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D beam. Okay, so amazing. 3D beam. Okay, you can see There are plenty of examples for 3D BIM, Revit software, ArchiCAD software, then uh, Trimble, Bentley. There are plenty of 3D BIM modeling software available in the world. First, you have to uh, do the concept design, then all the stakeholders can come together and develop that particular concept design to a detailed design. Okay, so this is 3D BIM. Then the 4D BIM, as I mentioned earlier, you can create a 3D model like this. Okay, this is your 3D model and this is your construction program. Okay, you can merge this construction program with your 3D model, then you can simulate your 3D model with the timeline. Okay, this is the thing I have explained under 4D BIM. Okay, so now you can understand better. Then the 5D BIM, 5D BIM, best example for 5D BIM is CubiCost 5D BIM software. You can see this is a 3D model. Okay, so we can quantify this 3D model. Okay, after quantifying this 3D model, you can generate quantity reports. Okay, then you can import these quantity reports to software like TBQ software. Then you can do the uh, estimation part. Okay, so this is the 5D BIM. Then after 6D BIM, 6D BIM is the sustainability plus building information modeling. Okay, so now industry talking about net zero carbon and a lot of construction professionals uh, talk about sustainability. Okay, so this is a 3D model plus sustainability. So in here we discuss concepts. We discuss about the concepts like energy modeling. Okay, so those concepts are very important. Okay, sustainability plus 3D model is 60 beam, then the 70 beam. 70 beam is the facilities management plus 3D model. So after finishing the 3D model, we will create an as-built model. Okay, later on we can use this as-built model as a digital twin too. So this is the operational stage. So construction management at the operational stage by using a 3D model called 7DB. Okay, so then we have to discuss about digital twin. Okay, so this is a digital replica of our physical asset. We can use technologies like sensors and the Internet of Things to feed data from this virtual model to our physical model. Okay, so we have to understand this digital twin comprehensively. I will show you a small video to make you understand more about this concept.
There are many notable twins in the world today. You might even be a twin. But do you know what a digital twin is? Essentially, it's a digital version of a physical object, a dynamic, up-to-date digital replica of a built asset or environment. With the help of building information modeling, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and Internet of Things technology, data from the original asset is used to build and improve the digital twin. By providing a precise, up-to-date model of its original, a digital twin can help designers, engineers, contractors, owners, and manufacturers create more efficient structures. Digital twins can help with everything from planning, design, and construction to operations and maintenance. Consider a building that's already been designed and constructed. Imagine there's a digital twin of the entire facility, from the roof to the HVAC to the mechanical, engineering, and plumbing systems. Now imagine that sensors in the building provide the digital twin with real-time information. The digital twin updates itself according to the data. Then, building owners can view areas where the building is aging or faulty and make improvements. On a greater scale, multiple digital twins can be integrated in an entire ecosystem.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, so this is digital twin. So the digital twin is a broad concept used in construction arena, and you can see the mature. I think you can't see my screen. I will share my screen again. And these are the maturity levels of building information modeling. Okay, at LOD 100. Okay, so we create the model consist of 2D symbols. Then at LOD 200, then elements are partially defined by outline and the approximate quantity size, shape, and location you can get from at LOD 200. Then LOD 300, you can get a comprehensive idea about the dimensions and positions of your model. Okay, and LOD 350, you can describe the information of the elements. You can have specifications of those elements. And LOD 350, then under LOD 400, level outlines the basic information about the construction of various elements. Okay, you have further information about the element at LOD 400. LOD 500, the model begins representing real life functions. Okay, so you can create the as-built model at level 500. And this is coordination and collaboration. Basically, you can collaborate via uh, cloud-based platform, and you can have server-based platform to collaborate with each others. And the interoperability, this is interoperable model generation is very important. So if you create your 3D model by using Revit software, you can open that particular model from the Navisworks software as well. So that is the interoperable model generation. And parametric model generation, after creating the 3D model, you can change the height, length, and width of those models very easily. So that is parametric model generation. And this is very important to you, professions in BIM. Okay, so if you are a quantity surveyor, you can change your profession as a BIM manager after having some skills. I will explain them to you, and I will explain their salaries as well. If you want to become a BIM manager, uh, I advise you to start the MSc program related to building information modeling. Then you can have managing skills, IT skills, and teaching skills and coordination skills. Then you can become a BIM manager. You have to have a better understanding about building information modeling software and the documentation process in order to become a BIM manager. Salary is approximately 2.5 million LKR. Now it is more than that. Then the BIM coordinator, if you want to become a BIM coordinator, you have to have good communication skills, and you have to have very good understanding about information technology and building information modeling. The salary range is 2.1 million LKR. Then BIM modeler. Okay, so this is a trending job nowadays. If you want to become a BIM modeler, you have to have a very good understanding about softwares like Revit and ArchiCAD. Okay, then you can you have to have a understanding about basic engineering. If you want to become a MEP modeler, you have to have a understanding about MEP arrangements. Okay, then you can become a BIM modeler. Salary range is 1.8 million LKR. And 5D BIM cost manager. Okay, if you are for 3 or 4 year experience 5D BIM cost manager, you can get the salary around 15,000 dirhams in UAE. So there are plenty of job opportunities available for 5D BIM quantity surveyors. So, so this is your path. You can become 5D BIM quantity surveyor after having this knowledge. How to start a career in BIM? You have to clear mind about term collaboration. You should be a team player, and you have to get a very good understanding about the BIM concept. Okay, you have to have a very good understanding about BIM protocol and BIM execution planning as well. And you have to learn programming language. Okay, and Revit, Navisworks, Intro knowledge also very important. Then benefits of BIM. So you can have your dream career after learning building information modeling and have a proper qualification regarding building information modeling. And you can have take off quantities. You can do structural analysis. You can do clash detections. You can do maintenance of life cycle cost, maintenance of building life cycle with this building information modeling. So you can have a lot of benefits from BIM. Okay. And now we have come to the final part of the session. Okay, so I will briefly explain these things. If you are a quantity surveyor, please be futuristic. Okay, you can see the metaverse here. Okay, now world going for the metaverse. Okay, this is NEOM project. This is the Ring project in Dubai. This is Brisbane Olympic. Okay, and this is the port city in Sri Lanka. Okay, so all these projects will use building information modeling. If you want to have a job opportunity, or if you want to build a career, if you want to start a business, okay, think about this market void. And if you are a quantity surveyor, you have to practice mindfulness, okay, and you have to think out of the frame, okay. Then you can become a better quantity surveyor, okay. And these are the new technologies. So this is a smart room concept, okay. This is robotic technology, and learning programming language is also very important. And these are the construction software. You have to learn a lot of construction software in order to become a competent quantity surveyor, okay. These things are very, very important. Then after having these skills, you have to market your skills in platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Then you can have more opportunities. And if you want to go for more opportunities, you have to have proper LinkedIn profile. Then you can market your skills very easily. Then creating a proper CV also give you a very good value. And if you want to improve your communication skills, please join for Toastmasters Club and improve your communication skills. So that's it. Okay, so extremely sorry. I took 1 hour and 40 minutes of your valuable time. Okay. Now 58 students are still with me. So if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Okay, this is the opportunity for your questions. Okay, so this is the next level. I have trained many quantity surveys. In fact, I have trained a lot of chartered quantity surveys as well. So learn this. Okay, you have 1 week to make the payment. Okay, make the correct decision. Okay, don't regret about your decisions. Okay, if you think this will give you more opportunities, okay, please send a message and make the payment and join the class. Okay, so I will put my phone number here. You can message me WhatsApp 9476270569. Can we use for PPP execution stage, project execution stage? Yeah, we can use. Okay, so we can operation phase. Yeah, we can use for operation phase after finishing our building. Okay, so we have to quantify our MEP elements. Okay, then we can use the ME software for MEP arrangement. And when the final stage, okay, so we have to prepare the final build. So we can create as build model. Okay, then we can do the cost management very easily. When will be the next batch starting? I will start this batch today. So sorry, uh, I'll start this batch 5th of January. Okay, across the interactive training. Okay, in fact, I have started this one already. Okay, so this is the first session. Next session I will do 5th of January. Okay, so you have 1 week to make the payment. And after this, I'll start within 1.5 months, maybe. Can we practice the software after 3 months? Yeah, it's very important. So sometimes, okay, some students will get job opportunities with related to CubiCost file development. They need further training. Okay, then I will allocate trialization. Then I will give you that further training. And after joining, after make the payment, okay, I will give you the access to our LMS as well, learning management platform. Then you can go through videos as well. So we have some training videos in our LMS as well. Okay, so yeah, this is a big company. Okay, and you can make a career with CubiCost. Okay, especially I'm seeking for young talents. If you are a veteran quantity surveyor, think about the market void. Okay, if you willing to start a new business, this is the go-through software, not Costex, not Bluebeam, not Transit. Can we measure using our own method of measurement? Yeah, yeah, why not? Why not? Why not? Very good question. I'll show you. Uh, I wanted to show this to you, okay, but I'll show you. So most of the times we will measure by using my method of measurement, MMM1. Okay, so and some companies have their own measurement rules. Okay, they're not using NRM2 or POMI. Okay, they have their own measurement rules. Then accordingly, we can change. So we'll get access to the software for 3 months. Yes, 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 yes. You will get 3 months of access. Okay, now I will show you this thing. Measurement rules. It's very good question actually. Who's that? Dilaksha. Yeah, Dilaksha, it's very good question. Thank you very much for your question. Hope I can give you an answer. Okay, so let's say this is my measurement rule. Okay, then I want to change the measurement rule with regards to beam and column. Okay, I will click on beam and I will click on filter and I will select column from here. Okay, okay, so these are the measurement rules related to beam and column. Okay, so you can change your measurement rule according to preference. Okay, you can read this. Reduction of column unit from volume of precast beam. Then no effect. If you want to put no effect, you can go with no effect. Or if you want to reduct it, you can go with reduct it. Okay, clear. Yeah, all three software are coming under one package, or do we need to buy separately? Yeah, if you want to buy the software, uh, you have to buy separately. Okay, but if you buy together, you will have discount. Okay, so this is not cost explanation is 5,000 USD. Okay, and plans if is 1,800 USD. This software is cheaper than that. Any other questions? I will give you a couple more minutes. I hope you enjoyed the session. I will stop this at 9:47. Okay. I'm sleepy. Don't worry, I will provide you the recording as well. Okay, guys, let's stop this session. I hope you enjoyed this amazing technology. So let's meet next Monday with this CubiCost training. Okay, this will change your life. Okay, and this will change your perspective regarding digital measurement. Okay, so if you are not ready to adapt to digitalization, okay, you are free to retire. Okay, that is insight. That is an insight I got from my MBA program. They talked about AI. If you are not ready to adapt to digitalization, you are free to retire. Okay, so this is a technology for future. I hope you will join and learn. Thank you very much. Good night and wonderful week ahead. Bye bye. Yeah, only student has done and dusted. Thank you, sir. Okay, you're welcome. Good night. Bye bye.